Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over there.
So, Lawson, I hope I'm in frame somewhat. Pain in the butt, do these without you by yourself. I got a video coming up next week that somebody filmed for me. Might need to hire them full time. I know y'all enjoy the quail water so much. I got so many views off of it. I'm gonna do one off of chicken water I got. I got this where I can be gone longer. I don't have to worry about them being filled up quite as often. So when it cools off hot, I'm still gonna keep it, you know, full of fresh water. This one right here is let's see who it's by. Little Giant, 7 gallons. They've been making them since 1941 apparently. But I got a couple center blocks you can't see. I'm gonna set them up on, and then you'll be able to reach over the fence and take the top off, the lid. Be able to fill it up easy. Got a good gasket. I'm not 100% sure how this works. We may waste the 7 gallons the first time, which I need to wash it out a little bit anyway. Put a little apple cider vinegar in it. But water drains out here, and I think when it gets to a certain level, like right there, it's full and it'll stop coming out. As long as you got it pretty level. I assume it's got to be pretty level. But like I say, it's a Little Giant. I got it off of Amazon. Poultry, game bear water, 7 gallons. Professional farm grade. Which I'm by no far professional, you know, farm, but we upgraded some. I'm gonna get it set up, and I'll show you filming it up. I'll show you washing it out and all that too. But I'll probably bring that to you on time lapse. And I'm finna get in there and set it up. It's like Friday night, probably 6:56, yeah. Hey, it acted like it was gonna rain earlier, and it's down to 94. Most of the day it was around 105, 108, but it acted like it's gonna rain and got down a little bit. Gunner over there whining on video. Good job, Gunner. She hates it when I start running the water hose. She's hydrophobic. Maybe she's got the rabbit eyes. Alright, we can go in there and put the center blocks in there. Okay, we got the center block in there. I thought I filmed it, but I didn't. Now I'm finna fill it up. Hope I got it set up right. Pray for me. I'm gonna have to watch a video on it, y'all. Imagine that. Alright, lifers, I didn't have it together right. I got it together right now. Still don't have to go in there to fill it up. But better situation than it was. Because I'm finna kill a bunch of turkeys though. Today. Right now. I got 2 hens I keep trying to put in there, and they try to kill them 2 hens. Waited till later this afternoon. They getting close to dark. They get used to each other. Right now that ain't happening. But I'm gonna sit out here with them. I'm gone from this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'll link it in the description. It's like